Good morning, guys! Welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video, magagala na naman tayo. Yesterday, walang nangyari kahapon. Nasayang lang yung araw namin kahapon kasi we got no change. We did go to the falls, but by the time we get there, we got no change. So, wala na, sayang. Our day yesterday was wasted. It's a shame do kasi maganda yung araw yesterday, and then may masamang nangyari yesterday, which is makes me really na in a good mood kasi I dropped my new phone and I cracked it because I didn't put a tempered glass. Wala siyang tempered glass, ano lang siya, parang screen protector lang, yung scratch protector, parang ganun lang. I will show you. But sabi ni Mr. ano naman, trinay namin siya kagabi, if you can see it. I don't know. This side. Ayan, hindi siya maano masyado. Pero pag inon mo siya, natamaan talaga yung ano niya, yung screen. Kasi parang sa ano yata yun, screen kasi yung pagkaano pagkahulog niya, screen. Okay lang sana yung kung back sana kasi may case, pero yung nauna is screen, so natamaan siya. Pag i-on ko siya, makikita mo talaga na may tama yung ano, may tama yung screen, kagaya ng may-ari. Hindi atay talaga kegwa. So yan, na bad trip ako kahapon. But life must go on. Sabi ni Mr. Cellphone lang yan. Pero nahihinayan kasi ako, wala pa isang buwan yung phone ko diba? Tapos bago, ano kasi ako, pag may gamit kang binigay sa akin, kasi binili yan Mr. Pag may gamit ako, talagang inaalagaan ko yan. So, my day is not good yesterday. So, hopefully today is gonna be good for us. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, mag-breakfast. I'm gonna have toast. And then coffee. Then, I'm gonna make our lunch. Gumawa ako yesterday ng steak. Something na ano, i-wrap ko siya ng tortilla wrap. So, yan ang gagawin ko. Para baon namin today lunch. Para dire-diretso na. Kasi hindi kami masyadong ano kahapon Hindi kami masyadong organized kahapon. So, ngayon gagawin ko na lahat. Naka-ready na yung mga drinks namin and everything. So, gagawin ko na rin yung lunch. Para dire-diretso yung gala today. Ayan guys, yung gagawin ko, i-wrap ko siya with the tortilla wrap. Pero, I'm just gonna warm this up first. And then, i-wrap natin siya. And then, magdala ako ng coleslaw. Yan, yung ating lunch today. Guys, we're heading now to Aber Falls. And the weather is a bit cloudy. Tapos dito, medyo foggy yung road. O, pakita ko sa inyo. Foggy.
So it's rich.
I think because it's a bit high mountain, isn't it? Medyo mataas tong ano na to. So that's why it's foggy. Fog. Ang dilim ng ano, diba? Makita lang yung road. But in front, it's fog. But it said it's gonna be nice, sunny today. Guys, we're here. Nakakuha na ako ng ticket at last because we got coins and we are gonna go to the falls. Walking up to the falls. Ang lamig dito. Pero okay na kasi medyo lumabas na si Haring Araw, but it's cold kasi nga yung tubig kung naririnig mo. Somebody's excited. Malamig.
Wow.
Yeah, up. Yeah, up. Be careful. Excited. Careful. Whoopsie. I see. Wow.
Going up.
Yes. Look at the water.
There.
Nice.
There.
Steps. Yeah, look, go. Wow. Go, go. Swimming? No, we're not going swimming. Go. Hindi siya malayo guys kasi it said it's only 2.5 kilometer, honey.
No.
What is then? 2.5 kilometer it said.
2.75 mile.
What?
2 3/4 mile.
2 and 2
3 miles.
nearly 3 miles, so hindi siya kalayuan. And then the footpath as well is decent size, so perfect if you got a little one to walk up. It's buggy accessible in here, so you can take a buggy if you got youngsters, you know, like baby. It's pretty much easy for buggy. Here guys, sabi video ko.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks.
Guys, mag-picnic tayo, lunchtime. Yung ginawa kong ano kanina, beef. What I call him, beef wrap. Lunch tayo with the view. Ito. Kain tayo, kain. Nice, oh. Very relaxing. We are heading back in the car park, guys. Pupunta kami ng Snowdonia after dito for another walk. Yung dalawa, o si James kasi kung ano-anong ginagawa. We are back in the car, guys. Now we're heading to Snowdonia.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Go that. Okay, then. Go that. Okay, then. Go now.
Okay, guys. See you later. Guys, dito kami sa Snowdonia pero ang lamig. Kasi there's no sunshine. Dito kami sa my little bridge. Ano to siya? Quarry. So, malamig. Kaya tignan nyo, nakaka-out na naman kami. Pero maraming nagkakayaking. Meron nga dito, oh. Sa little, like, ayan, oh. Pero sobrang lamig. Dito kami sa my Snowdonia Country Park. Sobrang lamig. The lake is freezing cold. James still full of beans.
One eternity later.
Dito na pala kami sa campsite. Muntik ko na kayo nakalimutan na naman. Oh my goodness mo. Kanina pa kami dito. Umuwi kami. Hindi kami pala nagtagal doon sa sa country park ng Snowdonia kasi si Mr. sumakit daw yung puso niya. Like, aywan ko kung nasabi ko sa inyo na may problema si Mr. sa puso. So, kanina, kaya sabi ko, hindi ko na lang siya pinush kasi na-achieve naman namin yung aming, 10,000 steps. So, sabi ko, kung hindi man siya, kung ayan mo yung is not feeling okay, sabi ko, balik na lang kami dito para makapagpahinga siya. So, kaya umuwi kami dito ng maaga. But I think he's feel better now. Siguro nasobrahan lang sa lakad kanina kasi going uphill kasi yung pag-akit ng poles. Nabigla lang siguro siya. Pero okay naman na siya ngayon. Tumitingin siya ng car kasi gusto na niya mag-drive ako. Para daw makakapagpahinga siya. Ay, that's the problem. But hopefully makapag-drive na ako soon para naman at least kahit papano, diba? Pag napagod siya, may katuwang, pwede akong sumalo mag-drive. So, I'm glad I feel better now. Sumasakit daw kasi yung kung saan yung pacemaker niya. So, nag-decide ako na bumalik na lang kami dito. And yes, we had a good time walking up to the falls. It's a beautiful falls. Not too bad walk as well, so James managed to walk it. There's no problem at all. So, I think that's it for our video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope na enjoy yung ating vlog today. If you do, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. In the world, we can be anything. Remember to always be kind. Bye, everyone. Mwah.